Hello there, welcome back to Beauty Bee and to the third video that I'm filming today. Wasn't really planning on filming this one, but then I went to my mailbox and I realized that I have Ipsy stuff. Now I wasn't actually really expecting to get an Ipsy bag this month, and then, I don't know, stuff happened. I ended up getting an Ipsy bag and we're consciously uncoupling now. So more on that at the end of the video. I have add-ons in one of these bags and an Ipsy bag in one of them. I'm not sure which one, so we're just going to open this one first and see what's inside. Okay, so it turned out that the first bag that I opened were the add-ons. I got this Farrah brush. It's dual-ended. It has one side's labeled contour, the other side is labeled blend. I will probably end up using this side for highlight, and I don't know what I'll use this side for. I feel like it might actually be okay for creams. I feel like that could work. We'll see. In any case, the reason I decided to pick this up, and I actually have another two of Not Quite Bees brushes, but one's from the same line, is that I got this in an Ipsy bag several months ago at this point. Again from Farrah, and I have been loving this. I use this brush all the time. Let's actually, I guess they're not super comparable. The one that I have had is their Conceal and Set. I end up using this largely for cream highlight and this one for powder highlight. I really like this. I found that it's held up well through several washings, and I'm excited to have another one. This would have been $3, I believe. Didn't want to subject you to hearing me open the bubble wrap, but this is from Tokyo Milk, and this is their 20,000 Flowers Under the Sea. I just thought this sounded intriguing, and this was $12. Before I smell it, here's what I hope this smells like. My hope is that this smells almost like a swimming pool, like a really nice heated swimming pool. Not like a YMCA pool where it smells stale and sweaty, but like a spa swimming pool. Not that I've ever been to a spa, but you know. Ah, that's not what I thought it would smell like. Get a spritz. The mister on it's really nice. Oh, that's different. It's much more floral than I thought it was going to be. Also, it's adorable. You can see the little illustration through the glass. It has the octopus and the flowers on it. I really like that. I've always been intrigued by Tokyo Milk. I just like the aesthetic of the brand, but I've never tried anything, and admittedly part of what sort of drew me into this is I have really enjoyed Jules Verne books, and this one's called 20,000 Flowers Under the Sea. I thought that was really cute. And again, it was $12. I would not have blind bought a perfume at, I think this is like a $50-ish, but for $12 I was willing to give it a go, and I think that this will work out pretty well for me. This is a 1.7 ounce size, I believe, if I did not say that earlier. 1.6 ounces. That's fine. So pretty. And now we have the Ipsy bag itself. I did look at the spoilers, but I don't really remember what was in them. So, starting out, here is the bag. It's this green velvet. It feels really cheap, but it looks actually pretty cute. I would say that this is probably the cutest of the Ipsy bags that I have received. It has a little gold coin pull with Ipsy, and there's a little bit of red along the zipper. It's not too bad. I could actually see myself using this. I feel like it would get really dirty though. Anyway, I don't buy the bag for the bag. I buy the bag for the products inside. And one of them came outside this month. This is from Belle Argent, maybe? It is a little shader brush. This is the Sidekick Precise Shadow Brush, according to them. It's gray on gray, so kind of hard to see. It feels nice. I think that's... No, I have not tried any of the brushes from this line, but it's attractive. It feels relatively well made. It looks pretty even as far as the individual bristles go, and it feels soft, so cool. I can always use another shader brush. And now let's get into the things that are actually inside this little green bag. Oh, just to mention, the inside of the bag is burgundy. So you can buy Ipsy gift cards now, you know, in case anyone was interested. And let's just reach in and pull out. Oh, I remember this now. This is the Tea Tree Control Green Mud Mask. So this would be, I'm guessing, an anti-acne mask. Absorbing impurities. I will give this a go. I don't tend to really like tea tree scented things, but it's just a mask, so it's not too bad. I have not been dealing with a ton of acne lately, knock on wood, but you know, I'll give it a go. And this is the kind of thing that even if I use it once and I don't enjoy it, like, I wouldn't feel bad about giving this to my sister. I feel like she could still get use out of it. It wouldn't be, it's not something that would feel gross to hand off after 1 or 2 uses. So I was not excited to see this in the spoilers, but I'll give it a go. Next up, we have a mascara from Ditto or Ditto. I've never heard of this brand before. I am going to probably do a little bit of research to try to figure out if this is just private labeled, and if it is, I might toss it. I don't know if I really feel comfortable putting something that's just private labeled near my eyes, because I don't fully know if that's just something that someone bought off of Alibaba and renamed, or if this is like a legit product. But either way, I got a mascara that I'm not super excited about. So what, 2 more products? Next up, okay. So far, this is the most exciting thing in the box. This is from Violet Voss, and it is a mini lip gloss. It looks to be a clear shade with quite a bit of gold glitter in it. And doesn't look like the name is on the outside, so maybe it's on the bottom. Apologies. I don't know what this lip gloss is called. It doesn't seem to have a name anywhere on it. Oh, there it is. It's Love in Paris. It's written on the side. And this is a clear with a lot of glitter. Kind of pretty, actually. Just has a sweet scent to it. Oh, that's nice. I think I'll end up really liking that. It's kind of a... I would say these are mostly white glitters, but they have a little bit of a hollow reflect to it. Nothing too insane, though. Very pretty. So far, this is the thing I'm most excited about. And then finally, we have, oh, a nail polish. I love nail polish. Let's see what the color is. Oh, and that's a color I'll use. Great. We saved ourselves on the last 2 items there. This is in the shade 2 PM Wine. I probably, this sped past the part where I spent like 3 minutes trying to figure out what the name of this was. But it is a wine creme shade. Actually, I wouldn't even say it's quite a wine. I think this is a little bit more red than I would generally describe a wine color. I don't have anything super similar to this, and I actually have been wanting a more red nail polish. So this actually worked out really, really well. So really 3 hits. I'm pretty happy with all 3 of these items. I'm not super happy with these 2, though I could be okay with the Ditto mascara. I'll just be researching this and see what I think. Otherwise, I let you know that I have canceled my Ipsy subscription. It's nothing really that bad about Ipsy. I just found myself shopping their little add-ons and such a little bit too often, and I just decided it was probably better for me to not have access to those, especially this past month. I've been super stressed out. I've been really, really busy, and that's going to continue for a couple weeks more. And I just decided I didn't need that temptation. I feel like I'm starting to get to a point where I've had enough of these boxes, or enough of these bags, technically, that I kind of understand the types of products I'm likely to get. I'm starting to get a little bit overwhelmed with the types of products that I get over and over again. So Ipsy and I are done with. I would not entirely rule out potentially resubscribing at a later date, but for right now, I feel like I don't need it. I am still subscribed to FabFitFun, and I will still be doing those unboxings on my channel. I think my next one should actually be relatively soon. I think that their customization just ended a day or 2 ago as I'm filming this. So be on the lookout for that video. So there was my November Ipsy bag. It was not the best box that I've ever gotten, but I've got to say it wasn't as disappointing as I thought it would be when I saw the spoilers. I mean, I got 3 items that I'm actually quite excited about. And yes, I did buy the perfume and the brush, which I have way too much stuff in front of me. I can't find the brush right now. I did buy those separately, but I feel like they're making me feel a little bit better about what I actually got in the bag. So we left on a good note. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll consider liking and subscribing if you did. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag this month, and if it was better than what I got in mine. I hope it was, and I hope that I will see you in my next video. Bye!